3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Today, I'm thrilled to share something truly exciting, the latest Speed Hub script, specifically optimized for the Dragon Rework update in Blox Fruits. If you're ready to take your gameplay to the next level, stick around because I'll guide you through the entire process of running this powerful script using the Delta executor. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable script executor to run the Speed Hub script. For this tutorial, I'm using the latest version of Delta Executor, which is currently one of the best and most trusted Roblox executors available. If you don't have it installed yet, no worries. I've included a link in the description where you can download and set up Delta Executor step by step. Once you've installed and launched Delta Executor, make sure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Now let's jump into running the script itself. First, head to the link in the description to download the Speed Hub script. After downloading, simply copy the script provided and paste it directly into the script box in Delta Executor. Once the script is pasted, all you need to do is hit the execute button, and that's it. The Speed Hub script will load up and immediately enhance your Blox Fruits gameplay, especially with the new Dragon Rework update. The combination of this powerful script and Delta Executor makes for the ultimate setup to take your experience to new heights. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Skibby Tech, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on the latest updates, tutorials, and tips. I'd also love to hear about your experience with the Speed Hub script, so be sure to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming!